Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for your new account in Bingo Blitz. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for your account. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you launch the app, you will see this kind of interface. Here you can see two options, new player and played before. Now in order to sign up, you need to choose the new player option. Tap on it. Bingo Blitz provides signing up with Facebook, your email address or your phone number, or you can even play as a guest. So you can choose your preferred method to sign up for a new account. For now, choose to create a new account using my Facebook account. You can choose your preferred option. If you want to create your account with email, you can choose this email option. So for now, I'll select Facebook. If you are already logged in with your Facebook in your phone, then it will directly recognize your account and it will ask for access to your account from this app. So you can tap on this continue button. And there you go. You've successfully signed up for a new account using your Facebook. You can use your preferred method to sign up for your account. So that's it. That's an easy sign up process for Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.